Rohit Sharma recorded 29 centuries in his one-day international cricket up to 2021. First century 114 runs from 119 balls with 6 fours and 4 sixes against Zimbabwe, played at Bulawayo on 28th May 2010. Second century 101 runs not out from 100 balls with 6 fours and 2 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Bulawayo on 30th May 2010. Third century 141 runs not out from 123 balls with 17 fours and 4 sixes against Australia, played at Jaipur on 16th October 2013. Fourth one is double century 209 runs from 158 balls with 12 fours and 16 sixes against Australia, played at Bengaluru on 2nd November 2013. Fifth one also double century 264 runs from 173 balls with 33 fours and 9 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Kolkata on 13th November 2014. This is the world highest score in the one day international cricket. 6th century 138 runs from 139 balls with 9 fours and 4 sixes against Australia, played at Melbourne on 18th January 2015. 7th century 137 runs from 126 balls with 14 fours and 3 sixes against Bangladesh, played at Melbourne on 19th March 2015. 8th century 150 runs from 133 balls with 13 fours and 6 sixes against South Africa, played at Kanpur on 11th October 2015. 9th century 171 runs not out from 163 balls with 13 fours and 7 sixes against Australia, played at Perth on 12th January 2016. 10th century 124 runs from 127 runs with 11 fours and 3 sixes against Australia, played at Brisbane on 15th January 2016. 11th century 123 runs not out from 129 balls with 15 fours and 1 six against Bangladesh, played at Birmingham on 15th June 2017. 12th century 124 runs not out from 145 balls with 16 fours and 2 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Pallekele on 27 August 2017. 13th century 104 runs from 88 balls with 11 fours and 3 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Colombo on 31st August 2017. 14th century 125 runs from 109 balls with 11 fours and 5 sixes against Australia, played at Nagpur on 1st October 2017. 15th century 147 runs from 138 balls with 18 fours and 2 sixes against New Zealand, played at Kanpur on 29th October 2017. 16th one is double century. This is the third double century. 208 runs not out from 153 balls with 13 fours and 12 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Mohali on 13th December 2017. 17th century, 115 runs from 126 balls with 11 fours and 4 sixes against South Africa, played at Port Elizabeth on 13th February 2018. 18th century, 137 runs not out from 114 balls with 15 fours and 4 sixes against England, played at Nottingham on 12th July 2018. 19th century, 111 runs not out from 119 balls with 7 fours and 4 sixes against Pakistan, played at Dubai on 23rd September 2018. 20th century, 152 runs not out from 117 balls with 15 fours and 8 sixes against West Indies, played at Guwahati on 21st October 2018. 21st century, 162 runs from 137 balls with 24s and 4 sixes against West Indies, played at Mumbai on 29th October 2018. 22nd century, 133 runs from 129 balls with 10 fours and 6 sixes against Australia, played at Sydney on 12th January 2019. 23rd century, 122 runs not out from 144 balls with 13 fours and 2 sixes against South Africa, played at Southampton on 5th June 2019. 24th century, 140 runs from 113 balls with 14 fours and 3 sixes against Pakistan, played at Manchester on 16th June 2019. 25th century, 102 runs from 109 balls with 15 fours against England, played at Birmingham on 30th June 2019. 26th century, 104 runs from 92 balls with 7 fours and 5 sixes against Bangladesh, played at Birmingham on 2nd July 2019. 27th century, 103 runs from 94 balls with 14 fours and 2 sixes against Sri Lanka, played at Leeds on 6th July 2019. 28th century, 159 runs from 138 balls with 17 fours and 5 sixes against West Indies, played at Visakhapatnam on 18th December 2019. 29th century, 119 runs from 128 balls with 8 fours and 6 sixes against Australia, played at Bengaluru on 19th January 2020.